Welcome back to the PDC Data Submission video series. During this video, we'll help you validate files that have a metadata status as verification pending with submitter after uploading your instrument files. It's important to provide additional metadata before moving forward in the data submission process. PDC uses this information for end-to-end integrity verification to avoid data corruption in file transfers by comparing the checksum of files provided by you and those calculated at the PDC. In order to include your files in a study, they must be validated first. Go to the File_Metadata worksheet in the PDC submission template and fill in the required metadata fields for your raw instrumentation file. Once completed, save the worksheet as a .tsv file. Return to the workspace and look for your program under the My Program section in the left panel. From there, click on the Instruments link under your program name. Locate the instrument name you uploaded your files to and select the 3 vertical dots in front of your instrument name. Click Validate File Metadata. In the pop-up window, click Browse Files and select the TSV file that you created from the File_Metadata worksheet. A verification log will appear listing which files 1. Were successfully validated. 2. Were not present in your instrument, but are present in the TSV file. 3. Are present in the instrument, but missing from your TSV file. And 4. Have failed verification. You can also download the verification information log by clicking Download on the form. If you have files that failed verification, click on the 3 vertical dots in front of your instrument name and select Show Files. Within the Metadata Verification column, click on the Failed Verification text to open a window showing the metadata differences. These differences may be the result of corruption or truncation of the file when uploading to Workspace. Check your metadata worksheet and make sure the values are correct. If they are, then you will need to re-upload the failed files. When you're ready to upload the new files, you'll need to first delete the old ones by clicking on the 3 vertical dots by the files you want to replace and selecting Delete. Once you have re-uploaded the files, you can click the 3 vertical dots again and click Validate File Metadata. In that window, you'll be able to click Browse Files and select the new TSV file for your metadata sheet. Once the metadata validation status for all files shows as Verified with Submitter, you'll be able to move on to the next step of the data submission process, creating your study. To view our video tutorial for the next step of the data submission process, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and please email the PDC Help Desk at pdchelpdesk@mail.nih.gov. datacommons.cancer.gov. NCI Proteomic Data Commons. proteomic.datacommons.cancer.gov. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, National Institutes of Health, National Cancer Institute, cancer.gov, 1-800-4-CANCER.